Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up your Digisol DG-WR3001N Wi-Fi Extender. Whether you're looking to boost your Wi-Fi signal or eliminate dead zones in your home, this guide has got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, let's unbox the Digisol DG-WR3001N. Inside the box, you'll find the Wi-Fi extender, a quick installation guide, and a power adapter. Make sure you have everything before we proceed. Now, plug the Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet near your existing router. Make sure it's within the range of your current Wi-Fi network. Once plugged in, the power LED should light up. Next, grab your smartphone, laptop, or tablet and open the Wi-Fi settings. Look for a network named something like Digisol_Extender or DG-WR3001N. Connect to this network. Once connected, open a web browser and type in the default IP address of the extender, which is usually 192.168.0.254. Press Enter, and you'll be taken to the Digisol Extender setup page. On the login page, enter the default username and password. Usually, both are set to admin. If this doesn't work, check the label on the extender or the user manual for the correct credentials. Ensure you're entering them accurately to access the setup page. Now, you'll see the setup wizard. Select repeater mode to extend your existing Wi-Fi network. The extender will scan for available networks. Choose your home Wi-Fi network from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password. Click Apply or Save to complete the setup. Once the setup is complete, unplug the extender and move it to a location where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. Plug it back in and wait for the LEDs to stabilize. Now, connect your devices to the new extended network and test the connection. You should notice a stronger signal. If you face any issues or need assistance, our team of skilled professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for support and guidance. Contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt and reliable solutions to your queries. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Digisol DG-WR3001N Wi-Fi extender. Enjoy seamless Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials.